Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified each time I upload a video. So today, you guys, we are going to be doing an illusion crochet with faux lock hair. So if you are interested in seeing that, then stay tuned. Alright, so you're going to be needing some type of edge control. I am using the EVIN edge control. I love this stuff. It works great on my hair and it gets it really like sleek and tight, and that's what I like. So I'm using that, and I'm going to be using rubber bands as well as a crochet needle. And for the hair, I'm going to be using, I hope I'm saying this right, it's the Made soft faux lock hair. This is in 20 inches and the color is T27. Alright, you guys, so we're going to start off by parting the hair from ear to ear. Now, I am not the best parter. I don't know how some of you do it. Like, how do you get it so perfect on the first try? I will never know that. I don't think I will ever know that. But I'm doing the best I can, so I'm going to part my hair ear to ear, and then we're going to get started on the pattern. So I'm starting off on my right side. I'm just creating rows pretty much, and I'm making these rows smaller than I initially did in the beginning. So I'm just doing 2 for the first one. I do like 3 for the second one, and as I continue to go up to like the middle of my head, the more rows I'll have. So I'm just taking some of that edge control, and I'm just going to be placing it and parting, and we're going to be putting the rubber band on the first section of hair, and then we're going to connect it to the second section, and then you're going to connect as you have more sections. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. We are still in pattern mode. So it took me an hour to do the front of my head, and it's now 11:16. So that was like an extra 15-16 minutes just to do, I don't know what it looks like, y'all, but I wanted to do the back like this because I want to put my hair up. It probably looks a mess, you know, but we're gonna roll with it. This is my first time doing the back like this is my second time doing the illusion crochet, like as far as the front. So now we just have to do the middle, and I want this to be braidless, but the last time I did do flat twists in the middle, but it just was not secure. So this part is not gonna be braidless, and I can't even braid like that. So if you don't know how to braid, we in this together, because my braids suck, honestly, but we're gonna try our best. We're gonna make it work, you know. Ain't nobody got to see how bad it is. We just need some braids for, you know, a little bit more security, because the flat twist was not tight enough for me, and I just did not feel secure with that. So let's finish up this pattern so we can get to the crochet part. I'm getting kind of tired. So y'all, I tried my best to braid my hair like I initially wanted to, but that did not work. Like, I only got one good braid, and then it just started falling apart. I was about to have a nervous breakdown. I'm just like, girl, get it together, okay? So I'm pretty much just taking rubber bands, and we're connecting rubber bands like a braid to the back of my head. Like, I think the next time I will definitely be trying this other pattern where I've seen people like do the connect with the rubber bands all the way to the back of the head. So that's something I will be trying out. It's just 11:48, so literally the pattern took me 2 hours. I feel like if I knew how to braid, like scalp braid properly, or at least flat twist really tight, maybe it would have took me 2 hours. But again, yeah, I got a big head. I have a big ass head. Okay, I underestimated my head. So doing this, like, do not try to go off anybody else's head. Okay, everybody's head is shaped different and it comes in different sizes. My head is big, so I think that's why it took me a little longer. So what I want to do, I want to get it done tonight, but I ain't feeling it, so I'm not. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow to do the actual crochet installation, and we'll just see how long it takes. I mean, it beats sitting in a chair for 8 to 10 hours, so I mean, I'm not mad at it, but maybe if I continue to do it, I get better. But I'm about to get a shower and I'm going to bed, so I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, so it's the next day and we are ready to crochet. This is like my favorite part. This is the what I want to say. This takes less time. Like, the crochet installation is not long at all, and it's so, oh my god, it just works. I just love this method. I think it just takes me longer to get the pattern right because I'm still working on that. But you guys, I'm just putting that crochet needle in, putting that hair on there, we're pulling through, and we are creating like a little knot. Some people put their needle through a certain way to give a certain look. I have no idea what any of that means. So literally on my right side, I went up with the needle. On my left side, I went down with the needle, just because I'm right-handed and it just works best for me. I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but that's what I did. So yeah, we're just putting the hair in, and the front, like, will always be snatched. Like, it's no problem in the front. The back is really not that hard either. It's just covering up the horrible braids I have back there, but you guys will see. Alright, you guys, so I literally don't know what the back of my head is looking like, so I'm just going to do a view in the camera so I can see what's going on. I'm literally like just feeling my way around where I place the rubber bands and where my braids are, and I'm just trying to put the faux locs in, and I'm trying to do like one finger space apart. I saw another YouTube say that was like a good little tip. But yeah, like, let's see what we got going on back here because I can't see. So I know I'm gonna put one here wherever I have those rubber bands. You know, I'm definitely gonna be putting the locks there, and then filling in the gaps. Like, this feels like a gap here, so I already know I'm gonna have to fill in this area. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps anybody. If you feel like, dang, you know, this is a lot, like, I don't know what I'm doing. Me too. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm I'm literally going off of YouTube University DIY because I ain't paying nobody to do it here. So practice makes perfect. Okay, we're gonna continue to do this because I do like this little style, and it's not taking too long. Like right now, it's only been an hour since I started my entire crochet process. So not bad at all. Let's continue. Alright you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like. I am very pleased with my results. I hope that you guys like the results as well. And now the journey is up and down, but honey, we made it. Like, we are here. We look good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful in any way. And as always, you guys, I will see y'all in my next video.